Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix a message unavailable. This content may have been deleted by its owner or hidden by their privacy settings. You may able to view it on Instagram. So guys, if you have this type of problem and want to see these messages, I'll help you how to fix this problem and how to see unavailable messages. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, click on your main profile icon, and guys after this you need to click on three lines, click on settings and privacy. And guys after this you need to scroll it below. Here you will see the option of messages and story replies. As you can see here, you have to click on this one. And guys after this you can see here the option of message control. You have to click on this one. And guys after this you need to wait for some seconds, and guys you will find this type of interface here. So guys at last you will see here the option of allow access to messages. So guys, the major reason of this problem is if it is turned off. So guys, simply you have to turn it on, and guys after this you will be able to see all the messages and you will be able to access of all the messages. And guys after this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to check your privacy settings. So guys, if you have blocked anyone, simply you have to unblock that person, and guys after this you can see also that messages. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.